Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 10th, we are going to practice exercise 7.3 coordinate geometry. Students, let us start with the second question. Find the value of k for which the following points are collinear. Okay students, these points are collinear, so we have to find out the value of k. We know that if the points are collinear, then the area of triangle will be 0. So, area of triangle will be 0 because this point does not form a triangle. So students, considering these points are A, B and C in the form of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively. So here the area of triangle formed by given points will be 0, right? Because students, these points are what? Collinear, because these points are collinear. Okay, so the area will be 0. So 1 by 2 modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula to find out the area of triangle, so it will be 0. So now putting the values of vertices A, B and C. So here you can draw equivalent line on collinear points. These collinear points can be compared with x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So x1 is 7, y2 is 1 minus k, x2 is 5, y3 is k, y1 is minus 2, so will plus. So x3 is 3, so y1 minus y2. So putting the values of all these points over here and doing some simplification. So simplifying 7 minus 7k, 5 plus k plus 10, so there will be 9 is equal to 0. Okay students, so now here you can see that the variable terms and constant term. So minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0. So we are getting what? Minus 2k is equal minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0. So 2k is equal to 8, so k is equal to 4. Okay students, so in this way you can find out the value of k. Now moving to the second question, find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices are given. So students, here the vertices are given, we have to find out the area of triangle. Suppose the vertices are A minus 4 minus 2, B minus 3 minus 5, C 3 minus 2 and D is 2 and 3. So in coordinates, so directly we can't find out the area of quadrilateral, so drawing a diagonal AC, right? So in AC, joining AC we are getting two triangle, right? So by sum of these two triangle we can get the area of quadrilateral. So AC, and now find out the area of true triangle which are ABC and ACD. We will find out the area of true triangle ABC and ACD and then take its sum. Then take its sum to get the area of quadrilateral. Okay students, so first of all we will consider for triangle ABC. For triangle ABC, so we represent the value of x1, x2 and x3. Similarly we will represent value of y1, y2 and y3. Okay students, so applying the formula to find out the area of triangle, 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y1 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay students, just we have to substitute the values of x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3. Now substituting the values above are written over here, so don't worry to represent, just put the value of x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. Okay, and then go for the simplification. Now simplifying these things, so we are getting 23 by 2, right? Now for triangle ACD, again representing the value of x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3. So again we will put the values of these terms in the area of triangle. Now putting 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 3 plus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2, right students? So simplifying once again, so 1 by 2 20 plus 15 plus 0. Okay, by simplifying these things we are getting 35 by 2. Okay, now to find out the area of triangle ABCD, so area of triangle is combination of two quadrilateral is combination of two triangle ABC and ACD. Now adding 21 by 2 and 35 by 2, so we are getting what, 56 by 2. So the area of triangle will be 28 square unit. How much? 28 square unit. Okay students, just this is simple. Whenever you having a quadrilateral, you want to find out the area, just draw the diagonal and divide these things into triangle. Now question number 5. You have studied in class 9th a median of a triangle divides it into two equal parts, right? Divide a triangle, okay, into two triangle of equal area. Okay students, what we have to prove over here, in a triangle if median is drawn, then median is divide the triangle into two equal parts. So the area of both the triangle by divided by median will be equal. So we have to verify this result for triangle ABC, whose vertices are A 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2, C 5 2, right students? So now drawing the triangle to represent the vertices, A 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2, C 5 and 2. Okay, drawing the median AD. So D is the midpoint of BC, so we can find out DC by applying the midpoint formula. Okay students, so 2 plus here 3 plus 5 will be divided by 2, so it will be 4, and 2 minus 2 will be 0, so D is 4 0. Now to prove that ABD, triangle area of ABD and ACD equal. Now for triangle ABD, now representing the value of x1 x2 and x3. Okay, locating the value and noting the value of x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3. So y1 y2 y3. Okay student, so now applying the to find out the area of triangle in coordinate geometry. So area of triangle 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 modulus. Now students, we will put the values of x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3 for triangle ABD. Now putting the values, x1 is 1, x1 is 4, then y2 minus y3, then value of x2 y3 minus y1, then x3 y1 minus y2. Now simplifying these things. So after simplifying, this is just simple labor work you will have to do by yourself. So we are getting minus 6 by 2, So we know that area of triangle is positive, so the area of triangle will be 3. Now for triangle ACD, for triangle ACD, so for triangle ACD again we will note the points x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3, right students, because earlier we have studied how to find out the area of triangle. So for triangle ACD, x1 will be 4, x2 will be 5 and x3 will be 4, y1 will be -6, y2 is 2 and y3 is 0, right student. So applying these values in the formula of area of triangle, so we are getting 4, 2 minus 0, 5, 0 plus 6 plus 4 minus 6 minus 2, so modulus, because area of triangle is always positive, so we are getting 1 by 2, 8 plus 30 minus 32, so 1 by 2, 6, again we are getting 3. Thus we can say that the area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Okay students, so here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson of standard 9, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you once again.